Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 9:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's December 10, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. We're here to talk about Origin US dollar. Let's take a look at a couple of things. Number one, on the Origin US dollar pair, we're at 64 cents right now with a floor of support around 54. Resistance now at 68 cents. Looking like we're entering into a new channel here. Definitely evident across altcoins, certainly under pressure. We're going to go into in a couple of seconds why, but I think we're almost flooring. I think ultimately 54 or 55 is ultimate floor of support here. Let's flip over to Origin Bitcoin to further validate that. A couple of things. We are at 1337 currently with an area of support right now around 1250. That's a few percentage points below, and from 64 to 54, that's a little more than that, probably 15% or more. So I think we're probably going to wind up 60, probably a little like 59 to 60 cents will probably ultimately be support for Origin US dollar, indicated by the Origin Bitcoin pair and its support level. Let's go over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin certainly on a tear down. Something to be worried about. There's no doubt about it. We broke that area of support a couple days ago. This thing is no longer intact. Could be a W pattern here. Again, we need to get over this line of resistance, 54, and it's a long ways away. 54 from 48 is about 15% or so, maybe a little less than that. But looking like we could see a floor of support roughly in this area here. But make no mistake about it, the area of ultimate support is over down here. And as I pull this broadening wedge out, again, short term, we look to be bearish. I mean, this thing could come all the way down to 38. At this point in time, and the longer on it goes, the lower this support line goes. So ultimately, we need to make a move fast. However, let's just understand that long term, this broadening wedge, once it breaks out, should come back up to where this thing started, which is 68K. So I am long term bullish, or intermediate actually term bullish. We just might be in for a little bit more of a bear chop in the meantime. Bitcoin dominance is still is actually breaking out of the channel, which is pretty remarkable. As soon as we broke out, look how sharp we went up. Now, I think what's going to happen is we could be on a reversal on Bitcoin dominance, coupled with Bitcoin's decline. If we do start seeing declines further into the weekend, this could be sort of devastating for altcoins. So you might want to strap yourself in on the altcoin side, but anything's possible here. It's 50-50 all around, but this does appear to be a little concerning. If Bitcoin is not going to hold around 48K, if it starts dropping down fast, I think we could be in for a really long ride down, bigger ride down for altcoins, especially if you start seeing this Bitcoin dominance pair start rising at the same time. So anyway, that's kind of where we're at. 54 support, 60 something, 68 cents resistance. Keeping in